Cool. Hello. What's up, guys? How's it going? So today, I'm gonna work basically, right? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work together. I don't know what we're gonna do, but the thing is that I felt that I'm gonna work the entire day. Why don't you tag along, and probably if you want to work. Great. So before we gonna jump there, just one quick insight that I found out. If you are a solopreneur, if you are a SaaS solopreneur, micro SaaS solopreneur, and you're developing web apps or mobile, okay, cool. Cut. Let's say you are a SaaS solopreneur, and you are somebody who is developing SaaS alone, and you are kind of working through scripts, you're writing scripts, and you are taking it a bit. What am I saying? Whew, cool, good. Big. Okay, cool. So hello. What's up, guys? So you're gonna work, and I'm gonna work the entire day. It's 3:30, so probably till 9:10, till 9 or 10 we're gonna work. Obviously, we'll take some breaks, but yeah, tag along with me, and if you want to work. Great. Before we jump into that, I want to give you an insight that I kind of discovered in the space of SaaS solopreneur. If you are a solopreneur who is building software or web development, web apps, and trying to host it and sell it to a lot of people, one good insight that I want to give you is that you don't have to spend a lot of time developing the product before the launch. Obviously, what Claude AI is enabled me, somebody who does not know coding very well, is that I was able to ramp up the production of. I kind of used the AI to write some scripts and put it in my computer and uh, you know build a web app. I mean, a small version of web app. Cool. So, second insight that I want to give you was that if you're going this route, if you're somebody who does not know much coding and you want to develop apps, I would suggest just research about it. What are the software? What are the tools we want to pick? And then give prompts to Claude AI or ChatGPT accordingly, because it will be much better. If you ask both of these AI tools right now to kind of generate a full blown application, then the choices that they make in terms of hosting, in terms of using the script for front end, in terms of back end, which database to use, is kind of, it's upon them, right? And the problem that I'm facing right now is an authentication issue, that I have to script an entire authentication for my backend. But what I found out from this video that I was watching uh, is that you can actually use Supabase, a platform, an open source platform, which is an alternate to Firebase. That using that you can actually deploy. So it is like authentication backend all in one together. So the point is, if you research a bit prior to your development, if you plan it out, like okay, this is what it is, these are tools, just read about them, watch YouTube videos, get a bit of knowledge, and then use that knowledge and tell Claude AI that hey, I want to do this. Then you will be saving a lot of time. So learn from my mistake and just come on, tag along. So I'm just gonna position this accordingly and probably a bit low so that I also come in frame. Cool. Yeah. So this was my video that I was a video that I was kind of editing. Cool. So yeah, I think this is a good frame. So just a bit more. Okay. I think this is good. Cool. So just
how many new users you're adding every single day, and then when you're creating new features, rather than launching them out to 100% of users all at one time, you can gradually roll them out with a feature flag. You can roll them out to very specific groups of people as well. It's a super powerful tool that makes the development process so much easier and, most importantly, so much safer with the addition of feature flag and a bunch of other features as well. So that's my go-to stack for building out applications.
Cool, guys. So, what I've understood from this video is basically that he's using Versal, and I did some research about Versal. To host Versal is basically to host your application, okay, online, and it seems like Versal is expensive when you try to scale after 100 GB, and probably it's a bad idea to go to Versal. So I'm gonna stick to Runway, okay, and that's number one. And yeah, so I'm gonna go and check right now about Superbase. I'm gonna do that and figure out what where like how it works and what kind of functionality it gives, because he said that Superbase includes authentication, right? So that's where I am right now at my own application. Cool. So let's do that. Okay, so basically, what I understood, let me just collect my thoughts. The answer I was looking for to was that should I go with Superbase or not? That answer I did not got, but I just wanted to also explore what is Mark is using, and it was very interesting to know with all the front end, back end, and analytics tool he's spending, and with 50,000 monthly visitors to his 20 plus SaaS apps, he's actually making okay, it's costing him $65 per month. So if I go and check uh, dollar to INR and I put 65 here or maybe 70, it's like 5,800 rupees, 6,000 rupees is my cost. That will be my cost. And I can pretty much earn crazy amount, right? With that kind of low margin, so to say. Such a low margin, so to say, right? It's crazy. It's like crazy. I just have to find a good solution or a problem to solve, which is like a painkiller, not a vitamin. Uh, okay, so now I have to make a plan. That what am I gonna use? Very interesting. I think I need to do a bit more research here. And these are the times when you feel like that, you need somebody to talk to, some developer, somebody to talk to who can, guide you. These are the times when you miss an expert's advice. Hmm. Anyway, that's fine. We will do a bit more research and we will become the expert. Hey, why don't we make this as a video? That what tech stack can you use? What should be your tech stack? What kind of database should you use? That will become a good video in itself. Good idea. Let me note it down. Mm, So detailed video itself, my friend. What other we should research? I think we'll revisit the discussion. We are anyway using MongoDB. So let's push it then. We'll see. There's nothing. Basically, he's saying AWS server is to use, right? So front end is pretty much sorted. Back end is anyway you using this one and API using this one. So there's nothing else to bother here. Just put it there. Hosting you can decide. Yeah, yeah. Hosting or is yeah. Right. Okay. I know. Mm, So, okay. Cool. So for now, what I have decided is that anyway, my front end is pretty much on uh, Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and my backend is anyway in MongoDB, so I'll use MongoDB Atlas. And for hosting my front end, probably what I'll do is I'll just choose Runway or Vercel, anyone. That's fine. And then payment gateway, so pretty much is sorted. So everything is sorted. I think I'm getting the clarity now. I am getting the clarity. Yes, cool. So yeah, Versal Runway. Runway we already use, so we'll just put it in Runway for now. And MongoDB Atlas, we'll learn that. Let's see how that goes. Perfect. So let's take a break. It's been quite some time to find these answers. Now I found those answers, which is nice. So let's make dinner, eat dinner, and come back and work, 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 work.